Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have made another clown, and I have made another clown in a collab with Tina's Reborns and more. We just did one. If you did not see it, we did one in October for Halloween. This little girl's name changed 3 times. I was going to call her, what was the first name I was going to call her? Christmas Carol. And then I thought, well, that's not, these line up perfectly, but they're being pushed out by that lace. And then I was going to call her, what was the next name I was going to call her? I had another name lined up for her, but then I put her little outfit on, and evidently I used the Basque pattern rather than the Alley Blythe pattern. So I changed her name to Christmas Cookie because she ate so many sweets that she almost can't fit in her little outfit. Tina, I can't thank you enough for these collabs. It is so much fun. She has on one red, one green shoe. These are driving me crazy because I have these lined up just right, I'm telling you. They're little bitty bells. Hear them? They actually jingle. Let me show you her eyes. There's her snowflake eyelids. And she has the regular gray eyes. I think they're green. Added these green. I don't think they're showing up. Let me pull that one up again. Can you get it better? Yeah, oh, those are the blue. And then the green in the same. No, those are different. These are the ones coming around that are the same as the blue, only green. Love that. She has red and green eyebrows. She has the red and green switch sides eyeliner. Oh, I know what I was going to call her. Rosy Red Cheeks Green is what I was going to call her. Rosy Red Cheeks, and Darren said, yeah, call her Rosy Red Cheeks Green. But as I was doing that, I don't know, it just wasn't coming together. But Christmas Cookie, now that worked out. These are just her name on there. I'm an old lady and I have too many Blythes, so I have to put their names on their strings. Darren made this adorable shiny silver stand with her name on it. And I want to show you the hat I made before I had the idea, let's see if I can get it on there right, for her bow of her braids to sit right in front of the fur on her hat.
I should make a correction here while you're doing this. I suggested rosy green cheeks, not red cheeks.
Oh, okay.
Just because she was a clown and could have
yep, there
cheeks,
you go.
But it was just one of many stupid names.
Let me push this. Stupid! These are good names. Christmas Cookie for a girl
But I didn't come up with that. You did that.
For a girl like me that's eating too many Christmas items. She does have a little silver bow to go with her silver stand. And the fabric here, I'm not sure, our lighting is bad. It's very dark out. It's not dark out, it's very cloudy out. So we don't have good light coming in the windows today. But that is a metallic or glittery silver on the fabric. She has on her little light bulb earrings, and she is just the cutest little Christmas clown. I love her. Thank you. Oh, I messed this up when I was showing the eyes. Hold that better, sweetie. She's got her little drink and her candy cane. She's ready to get even fatter. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Thank you, Tina. I always have fun with our collabs. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Let's pull your little reindeer over and show him to Darren got this in a claw machine. It's Cupid. They're different this year, and we only have the one so far.